Hi, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our 250 SDX IO. As you can see, I'm on the swim platform here, and has our nice gray sea deck on the back. Nice storage area, ski locker, blow-up tubes, anything can go in there. It's really big. Also here on our swim platform, we have a submersible swim step. Helps you get up on the boat easier, or you can just lounge in the water there. Now on our transom walkthrough, we have a cooler. As well as when you walk through here, you got a gate and your battery switch, and another little cooler in here too. You can see here on the sun pad that there's also a convertible backrest, so you can lounge out back while you're hanging out at the sandbar, or you can sit facing forward when you're running. Now under this boat, we have a lot of storage in the seating area, as well as there's a cooler. And a large locker underneath that's lockable. Now up here at the helm, we got our Simrad display, our Fusion radio, switches, adjustable steering wheel, and the helm seat also has a flip-up thigh bolster, as well as it converts just like the port seat and just like the sun pad in the back. Now on the 250 SDX, there's a very large midship berth or cabin area with a head in it. Moving up here in the bow, you have your wind door, wind gate, and your windshield also goes down so you can get that wind off you when you're running. Up here you got some nice spots to sit out and while you're running the boat or while you're hanging out. And also up here, you got a removable cooler that's under this forward seat right here. And in our anchor locker, you also have a reboarding ladder for when you beach up. This has been Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat we have here, give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thank you.